This portion is brought to you by Ferna, the food ingredient specialist.
Hi! One morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa studio at one morning din po sa lahat ng ating televiewers. Maayong buntag kaninyong tanan sa mga taga Cagayan de Oro at mga taga Butuan City. Another fun and exciting segment naman po ang handog namin sa inyo. Siyempre dito lang yan sa Furnace Ingredients of Success. Did you know about premixes? Premixes makes our life more easier. Since these products are pre-blended, hindi nyo na kailangan mag-aksaya ng oras sa pagtitimbang ng kung ano-anong ingredients. At 100% sigurado kayo sa quality at syempre very affordable ang mga prices. And for this day, gagamit tayo ng Ferna Donut Premix. And for the ingredients, gagamit tayo ng 1 kilo Ferna Donut Premix, 1 tablespoon of Eagle Instant Dry Yeast, Aguila sa alsa, garantisado ang kita. And 1 3/4 cups of cold water. And the same with other dough, pagsasama-samahin lang po natin ang lahat ng ingredients. Ang ating Ferna Donut Premix, 1 tablespoon ng ating Eagle Dry Yeast, syempre, ang ating water. At hahaluin lang natin ang ating ingredients for about 1 minute at low speed. Sa Ferna, we want to make sure na hindi kayo mahihirapan sa inyong yeast. Kaya syempre, ang Eagle Instant Dry Yeast, garantisadong dekalidad ang pinagmulan. Your bread will rise nicely at room temperature, kaya panoorin nyo. So after a minute, continuous mixing for about medium speed at 30 to 35 minutes until ma-develop ulit ang ating gluten. After 30 minutes, i-check natin kung okay na yung ating gluten. Okay. Kailangan ang dough soft and elastic. So, i-rest lang natin siya covered with cloth or plastic for about 20 to 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, ready na ang ating dough for cutting. Gagamit tayo ng ating donut cutter. Actually, these are available sa mga bakery institution nationwide. Mag-dust lang tayo ng flour. And using rolling pin, forward and backward, right to left, forward and backward, right to left, hanggang maging sheet ng ating dough. Kung nahihirapan po kayong maghanap ng dough cutter, siguradong meron po nito sa Divisoria. So, ilalagay na natin sa baking sheet ang ating cutted donuts. And then, diretso sa isang warm place o kaya sa proofer for about 50 to 60 minutes. So, after an hour of proofing, handa na ang ating Ferna donut sa pagpiprito. Make sure na mainit lang inyong mantika for deep frying. So, after the donut turns into golden brown, pwede na natin siya i-transfer sa isang serving plate. So, after frying, palalamigin lang natin siya for about 15 to 20 minutes at pwede na siyang i-coat ng either powdered sugar, refined sugar, or glaze na po pwede niyong ilagay para sa inyong donuts. So, ngayon, magta-try tayo ng ating ordinary sugar. So, nothing to worry about sa paggamit ng instant yeast. Dahil sa Eagle Instant Yeast Powder at Ferna Donut Premix, nakakasigurado kayo na ang inyong donuts ay magiging patok this coming holiday season. Your breads will have its magic of its own. Dahil sa Ferna Food Products, you can enjoy the joys of baking with yeast. See you next time!
Ito ang Ferna, patok sa sangkap at pampagana. Lipat na sa Ferna, one in food colors and food flavor. FERNA.
This portion was brought to you by Ferna, the food ingredient specialist.